No matter what you are doing these days in terms of scripting or programming, especially when we are faced with this generative AI, Python is the most popular language. I just stumbled upon this GitHub repository, which has numerous gold nuggets in terms of scripts for various disciplines. This Python algorithm library has 163,000 stars on GitHub, and it includes ton of algorithms from arithmetic analysis to blockchain to computer vision to audio processing and to data structures. Just to give you a glimpse of what it includes, if you scroll up, you will see there are algorithms for searches, for scripting, scheduling, quantum computing, and so on. You can also contribute your own scripts into it, but that goes through a rigorous process. So that is why I'm very confident that these all are very quality scripts. For instance, there are very good scripts for any type of file transfer, for receiving and sending them. There are scripts for graphic like Bezier curve and 3D, 2D rendering. And then we have digital image processing for various problems. And then there are also some blockchain cryptography related scripts. I will drop the link to this repo in video's description so that if you want to download and play around with it, which I'm sure you will if you're working in Python, you can do so. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.